Chapter 6. Our heroes have finally arrived at the first world of their long, fruitful journey. Welcome to Wonderland, a positive funhouse mirror of a planet where up is down and down is also down. And even those people who live in the insane asylum can agree that this place is totally batshit. The trio boldly steps into Wonderland's famous card-themed kingdom, a clever marketing ploy designed to subliminally influence tourists into spending all their money on blackjack at the local casinos. But our dear heroes are much too clever to fall for such tricks, and they quickly make their way to the castle's great hall, where it would seem that quite a commotion is brewing. It appears that Sora and his friends have stumbled into the middle of a court of law. The defendant, a young girl by the name of Alice, stands accused of acts of terrorism and treason against her morbidly obese majesty. As soon as Sora hears of these claims, he immediately jumps to Alice's defense. He declares that only a heartless would be capable of committing such vile acts. Sora promptly assigns himself as Alice's public defender, along with Donald and Goofy as his loyal attorneys-at-arms. With the power of their combined legal prowess, by golly, they might just have a chance. As the heated trial progresses, Sora presents incredible evidence to the court, as you might have expected from our wonderful protagonist. Shocking and damning revelations are revealed that point to the Heartless being the true culprits of this crime. Tensions are high as Sora drops truth bomb after truth bomb, like a blitzkrieg of justice upon an unwitting metropolis of corruption. The Queen is outraged that this loser kid is disrupting her orderly court, but nobody can deny the facts that have been placed in front of them. As the trial seems like it's approaching its conclusion, all evidence points towards the Heartless. But not so fast, ladies and gentlemen, because out from the depths of hell itself, the Heartless have arrived to defend themselves in court. An unprecedented move, if I've ever seen one. It is soon revealed that much of Sora's evidence was planted by Alice herself, likely in an attempt to frame the Heartless for crimes that she in fact committed herself. This is terrifying news for the defendant's legal team. Sora's neck veins swell up to the size of a blimp as he desperately consults with Donald and Goofy. But the situation merely gets worse and worse as their case is pulled apart thread by thread. Just as things look like they can't get any worse, the Heartless bring out their own attorney, a juggling circus clown specifically engineered to mock the very legal system that Sora represents. This is the last straw. On behalf of lawyers everywhere, Sora slices apart the Heartless, splattering black ooze all over the courtroom. The entire court is frozen in shock as no one can process exactly what is transpiring before them. The witnesses are dead, the defendant is escaping through the back door, the cat god of knowledge is telling his shadowy riddles, and Donald just lit the Queen's hairpiece on fire. The whole courtroom devolves into complete chaos and the flames of anarchy soon spread throughout the entire kingdom. Wonderland's fragile political balance has been ruptured, and a massive coup d'etat quickly ensues. This is all getting a bit much for Donald, Goofy, and Sora to handle, so the three of them decide to get the heck out of Dodge. They manage to evacuate the planet's surface before getting caught up in whatever communist regime is bound to pop up. So, unfortunately, neither Mickey nor Riku and Carrie were found on the planet. But everyone had a fun time and learned a valuable lesson about friendship or something. And in the end, isn't that what really matters?